Tuning in with pinandbuds. We have rack of lamb on the grill. We have porterhouse pork chops. We have asparagus wrapped with, bacon. We just do it in. We have the corn wrapped, seasoned with butter and all that. Then you have the potatoes just sitting there just doing their thing. So this is what I'm about to do. Right here is a lemon butter and herb sauce. This is what I do with this. See this? See what I just about to do with this? You just drizzle it over that motherfucking lamb. You see that? You see that? Just drizzle it all over that bad baby. Make sure it's thick like that. Thick like that. And just put it all over that motherfucker just like that. You hear me? Put it over that motherfucker just like that. Put it back in there. Put it over that motherfucking pork chop. Just like that. You know what's in here? This is motherfucking real butter mixed with herbs and spices. Pinandbud style. You hear me? You just put that over that motherfucking pork chop. Just like that. You hear me? Just like that. I'm not bullshitting. Just like that. Keep doing it. Keep putting it on there. Go stupid with it. You know what I'm saying? Go down, put it all back there too. This is real smoking going on right here. Real smoking going on right here. We ain't fucking bullshit, man. We have some grilled lobster on the grill. We have some bacon wrapped asparagus, porterhouse pork chops, and rack of lamb. Beautiful. With the potatoes over there smothering, with corn on the cob, ready to go. This is pinandbuds for you. This is how we do. Beautiful. Can you see the sizzling? Can you hear it? Can you see the ingredients all over that pork chop? Beautiful. This is how we do it. Beautiful stuff. You see that? Everything. Wonderful. Everything we do here is quality. Best quality. You see those lobster? That's not a Kroger lobster. That's beautiful lobster. Nice. Succulent. Ready to go. This is how we doing it, baby. Rack of lamb. Have you ever seen a rack of lamb like that? Never. Only at pinandbuds.